Master the art of scouting with this extensive tutorial, equipping you with essential techniques and strategies for success. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and maintain team rosters, efficiently fill them, search for players, and switch between seasons. You will also discover how to create scouting lists, add or remove players, generate scouting sheets for comprehensive player analysis, and customize templates for your specific scouting needs. Get ready to streamline your scouting process and unlock the full potential of our data cockpit. Let's dive in and elevate your player evaluation capabilities. To begin, navigate to the Scouting section on the left panel and select My Teams. You will find one or more folders based on your organization and access. Choose your preferred folder, and click the Add Team button to create a new team roster. If you want to keep track of the roster your own or opponent teams, you can do so by creating team rosters across different seasons in this section. Okay, let's continue. Fill out all the necessary details and add your team to start working on the roster. There are two ways to add players to your team: manual and automatic. In the manual approach, you can search for players and add them individually. Alternatively, you can opt for the automatic method, which fills your roster with players assigned to the team you specified. You can combine both approaches by starting with the automatic fill and then adjusting it according to your preferences. Please note that you can freely reorganize players' positions with a drag-and-drop option. Player attributes can be hidden or unhidden in the upper right corner. Beside the basic information, you can add your own comment. Or you can put some tags or even specific color to each of the players. Now let's move on to scouting lists. To create a new list or manage existing one, navigate to the Scouting List section in the left panel. Here, you can create a new list, edit or delete existing one. To add players to a list, go to Find Players and search for the desired player. In the Scouting Lists section, click Add to Scouting List and choose from existing lists or create a new one at the bottom. This will add the selected player to the dedicated list. To remove a player from the list, click the bin symbol on the right. Scouting sheets are used to rate players based on game observations. Finding and clicking on a player will take you to the player overview. And selecting the Scouting tab will bring you to the Scouting sheet view. Here, we can create or manage an existing scouting sheet, add a note, or upload the documents. Okay, let's get back to the scouting sheet. By default, the scouting templates from NHL Central Scouting are in place. If your organization wants to customize these templates, contact our support and specify your preferred schema. Below the score chart, you will find existing sheets and an option to create a new one. Simply fill out the required details, and the new scouting sheet will be generated in the designated folder. As mentioned, you can add notes or assign ratings to the player inside the scouting sheet. If you wish to delete a sheet, click the three dots icon and select the Delete option. You have now gained the knowledge to create, fill, and maintain team rosters, search for players, create scouting lists, and generate customizable scouting sheets. Use these skills to enhance your scouting process and unlock new possibilities for player analysis and development inside the data cockpit.